your hands right now!
Welcome back to Advocacy, Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. In today's lecture, we're diving into an insane and unforgettable first pursuit involving a rookie officer from Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin. This high-stakes car chase not only tests the officer's training, but also provides a fascinating case study for understanding key legal concepts. We'll analyze the chase, break down the laws at play, and explore evidentiary standards, from mere suspicion to beyond a reasonable doubt. This isn't just about action, it's about understanding the role of training, mentorship, and the justice system when the stakes are the highest. Let's watch the video first, and then we'll break down the law.
Watch for traffic. Affirmative, we're eastbound on Highway 50. I'm up to 60th Ave. Speeds are about 45. Get behind it. You need to focus on driving, right? Continuing eastbound from 60th Ave. Speeds on 55. Traffic is medium. Slow down. That way. Watch for the. Worry about the traffic. Make sure you're stopping. Make sure the green light. Just make sure you're slowing it down.
Status J, we're running the red light at 75th 39, continuing east on Roosevelt. Speed's going.
Just watch the stop sign here. Watch the stop sign. You're good. Just breathe. Breathe and do good. Make sure you're good. You're good. Get up there. Watch here. Watch here. Watch here. Go. I'm heading to that. I'm quite a ways off, so. You good, Mike? Alright, slow down. Alright, you're good. Slow down. Get a car. Watch where you're going. Careful here. You're good? Just keep on. If you get swayed, that's fine. Just all careful. Stop, you're good. You shut it down for us. That works. No, just leave the lights alone. They're excited to run. I want your attention. Just be careful here. Careful here. Get in between. Get in between.
What's up with 2-2?
Alright, slow down. Slow down.
Got him.
Got him. Got him. No, just
Help us on framework from 39.
just slow down. Slow down a little bit. Watch the curve. He's out too tired, so
Right side.
yeah, stay with it. Stay where he's headed. Oh, fuck.
5, I'm trying. Maybe he just lost his tire running on the rim.
Oh, yes. Alright, be careful. Let him. Alright, now.
Kind of got spiked in over it.
Oh, get up there. Get up there. Yeah, stop. Stop.
Show me your f***ing hands! Show me your f***ing hands right now! Show me your hands! Hands up! Get your hands out of the vehicle!
One occupant! One occupant! I'm going to the driver's side. I'm going
I'm going with him, driver's side.
I'm going driver's side.
Do
Hands
not
up.
move!
Hands
Do
up.
not move!
My hands is up!
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Can I take my phone?
Get out of the car right now!
No, step out of the car.
Get on the Get on the car!
Hands up!
Stay on the ground. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Put your hand behind your back. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. All right.
Can y'all get off of me?
Do not
Hang
move.
tight. Hang tight. We have a few things we need to do.
Ow!
One is
Y'all
checking.
hurting me!
We're not doing
I'm in
anything.
handcuffs!
Yep.
Get off of me! Ow! Get the off of me!
Yeah, make sure you're
Y'all hurting me!
Pat her up.
What is you doing? Get off of my legs! Get off of my legs!
Roll her a bit.
Roll it. There we go.
Oh my, can you pull my shirt up?
Oh, there we go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and roll to your side. Roll this way.
No, just help, just
Okay.
get me up.
Bring your knees up.
Bring your knees up to your chest.
Bring your knees up to your
Can
chest.
y'all just pull me
Bring
up?
your
I
knees to your
can't-
chest, man.
This stuff hurt!
Bring your knees to your chest, man. We're gonna get
Sit up on
you
your butt. There you go. Now stand up. There you go.
Let
I'm
me
just
go.
checking your handcuffs so they don't tighten down on you.
They too tight.
No, they're not, because you can spin your hand so you're fine.
Can y'all get my phone, my ID, and my money? In my bags. I need everything out that car.
Let's start with the legal framework behind this incident. First, fleeing or eluding an officer is a serious offense under Wisconsin statutes, section 346.043, when the suspect in this chase ignored the officer's signals to stop and initiated a dangerous pursuit. They crossed the line into criminal behavior. Depending on the circumstances, such as causing property damage or injury, this offense can escalate from a Class I felony to a Class F felony, carrying significant prison time. Next, we have operating a vehicle without the owner's consent. This is governed by Wisconsin statute section 943.23. This is a Class H felony and is central to this case, as the vehicle involved in the chase was reported stolen. Finally, second-degree reckless endangering safety under Wisconsin statute section 941.302 may apply. This charge reflects the substantial risk posed to other drivers and pedestrians during the chase. It's a Class G felony with severe penalties, reflecting the danger caused by the suspect's reckless behavior. This case is also a great example for understanding evidentiary standards. The levels of proof required to take action or secure a conviction Let's break these down with examples tied to this pursuit. Number 1, mere suspicion. The rookie officer's initial decision to run the license plate likely came from mere suspicion. This is the lowest level of proof, often a gut feeling based on experience or context. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion, when the license plate returned as belonging to a stolen vehicle, the police officers now have reasonable suspicion, allowing them to conduct a stop and investigate further. Number 3, probable cause. When the suspect ignored signals to stop and initiated a dangerous chase, probable cause was established for arrest, as the behavior clearly indicated criminal activity. Number 4, preponderance of evidence. If property damage occurred during the chase, the vehicle's owner could use this standard in a civil suit to recover damages, as it only requires showing that it's more likely than not that the suspect caused the damage. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. If the suspect claims they didn't know the car was stolen, prosecutors would need to present clear and convincing evidence to rebut the defense and prove intent. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. Finally, to convict the suspect of charges like fleeing, operating a stolen vehicle, or reckless endangerment, prosecutors must meet the highest standard, proving guilt without reasonable doubt. This rookie officer's first pursuit serves as a powerful reminder of the challenges law enforcement face on the job. With a training officer coaching from the passenger seat, this was more than just a chase. It was a real-time training session. It was a real-time training session in situational awareness, decision-making, and the application of the law. From a legal perspective, this case highlights the importance of evidentiary standards in ensuring justice is fair and thorough, whether it's mere suspicion or proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Each standard serves as a crucial checkpoint in the pursuit of the truth. If you found this breakdown insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Advocacy Alchemy. Let's keep exploring the intersection of law and real-world encounters. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Once again, this is Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. You have a good day.